Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I want to share with you guys one of the things that's made me survive for the past 15 years in trading. So one of the very important clue is knowing how to cut loss. Why cut loss? Because cut loss is I think it's something that is very painful. It's something that nobody wants to do it, but it's something that allows you to move further down in your road to trading. Okay, let me give you an example. Many years ago, I remembered how I lost $100,000 was because I bought stocks based on tips. I bought stocks based on some amateur technicals. I bought stocks based on reading reports. So after buying a stock based on what I read or what I heard, and the stock started to trend lower and lower. So in my head, in my mind, I know it's time to cut loss, but you know, every human being had emotions. So I decided to wait a little longer, pray for the stock to go higher one day. And true enough, after like 2 months, 3 months, I started to take big loss. And by taking a big loss, it's very hard to come back again. Okay, so that was one of the lessons I learned many years ago, that cutting loss is like a step towards your success, because every trader that I know, the best trader in the world, they will cut loss. It's just that how much they lost, it's just that how much they minimize the loss. Okay. Now, another thing that I think is equally important is knowing how to take the stock at the right price. So what do I mean? Now imagine a stock is $1 and $1.10, and then you were thinking, you know what? I want to buy a stock. I want to buy a stock at $1. I don't want to buy $1.10. So you queue at $1 and you start buying a stock at $1. Putting your queue orders there, your stock is not filled yet. Just waiting for the stock to be filled at $1. So 10 days later, from $1.10, you move to $1.20. At that point of time, you'll be wondering, oh shit, I should have bought at $1.10 instead of $1.20. And then subsequently, in the next 30 minutes, from $1.20, it moved to $1.50. So guys, what's in your head? You'll be wondering, wow, I wished I bought the stock at $1.10 instead of queuing the price at $1. Because queuing the price doesn't mean your order will be filled, but buying at $1.10, your order will be filled. So the longer you wait, the stock is moving, and at a certain point of time, the stock hit $1.70. That's where you start to wonder, should I continue to buy the stock, or should I just give it a miss? As the stock keeps rising further, your hands is pretty itchy, your emotions is getting the best of you. So what do? You start to click at $1.80 to buy the stock. When you bought the stock, $1.80, the stock trended higher. $2.10, to only realize that the next day the stock gapped down because of a bad news, because of the bad report, to 90 cents. Did that happen to you? Comment below and let me know. Did that happen to you? Chasing stocks, buying because of emotions, not trying to buy when the stock is about to run. Okay, so these two elements is very crucial in trading. One is to learn how to cut loss fast and move quick, and another one is to learn how to buy at a good price, good time, and let the stock fly. Okay. Now, why am I sharing with you this, guys? Now, imagine this: the stock market is like doing business. In business, there's always expenses. Means you spend some dollars on marketing, you spend some dollars in manpower, you spend some dollars in venue, you spend some dollars in sales. So what you want to get back is, after all these dollars spent on all this marketing, sales, venue, manpower, what you want to get back is to make more profits to cover back all the expenses. So it's the same for the stock market. Losses is the same for the stock market. There's no free lunch in the world, guys. I'll let you know there's no free lunch in the world. Because if there's free lunch in the world, everybody will be rich. Nobody has to work. Okay? So the stock market is not for the game. The stock market is not for the heart of the inferior emotion. It's for people who are decisive, wants to take action, able to cut loss fast. Okay, this kind of people is very rare to find, but when you find these kind of people, keep them, because these are the people that can soar high in their trading or investments. Okay. So that's how I survived for the past 15 years, trading in and out, cutting small losses, let my profits gain. Some days it's not about making money, some days it's about just getting out without a loss and then rotate to the next stock again, because there's no way that you can play every stock every day. So what you want to do is just do your best and find the best stock as much as possible. Okay guys, do let me know if you like this video, and I'll do the next video to help you as much as possible. Thank you so much, guys. See ya.